We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.